Yeah, so it's been a couple of days where Instagram for November story, and I just wanted to thank everyone who has watched it and who has, sent me their feedback, because that's really valuable for me uh, to get from you, because that's how I know what you really like out of my work and what kind of work I should do, which is something that you would like to watch. So all the feedback I've been getting has been so positive and so encouraging. Um, for everyone who doesn't know, November Story is a web show playing on Disney Plus Hotstar VIP, and it was a show that started pre-pandemic. So for us, it's been almost 2 years of working really hard towards it, and now that it's live for people to watch, and people have been enjoying it. It's just very very encouraging for me and the entire team. My director Indra Subramaniam, Vidu, who's the cinematographer, uh, the entire team, all the cast and crew worked really hard, and we had to finish a lot of the show post the first wave of the pandemic. And there's a lot of hi, hello, thank you for all your. I can see sub. It's going so fast. Okay, Chandu Trivedi for okay. Thank you. I'm glad you guys even have seen 11th Hour and liked it. It really means a lot that it's a new space for me also to venture in, and the fact that you guys have liked it means a lot. And I see a lot of love pouring in. um, जीने का. Oh, I love you so much, Sana Afridi. Love you too. um, okay, there's an interesting comment that's come in. Murli Dharan is telling me to talk about how important it is to wear a mask, and thank you. I think that's something that whenever we are going outside, that is something we must do and not take it lightly. So when I had COVID, it was in the first wave of the pandemic, and I promise you, it was nothing even half as deadly as what we are facing today and whatever is out there. I've had so many, like, I know of so many people who've really suffered with this, and people who've lost near and dear ones, and it's been a really hard, a hard time for a lot of people. I personally know, and all I can say that it's a lot better if you have the chance of staying home. Try not venturing out. Only venture out when it's absolutely essential, and if you have to, then you must double mask. I don't know how many people know of double masking, but double masking really helps. It's wearing one mask and then making sure there is no like gaps, so you wear another mask to cover your face. Okay, this is good. Geeta Vinita 19. I am someone who is generally not, whatever I do or whatever I want to do, I am not someone who likes to post about it. But yes, I understand what I can do at this point is create awareness about what the situation is outside, which I am doing. And in terms of help, I think it's very personal, and these are things that one must do, and it's not necessary that you need to showcase everything that you do. Um, as much as we are in the times of social media and we have the ability to do that, I feel like these things are extremely personal. When you want to help someone and you want to do something for people, you just do that. You don't actually sit and showcase it or put it out there. But I do believe in trying to spread awareness, because that is something that can invoke a lot of emotion in a lot of different people who can, in their own capacity, help people out there who really need the help. Uh, my favorite language, ILU_14. I don't have a favorite language. Of course, I'm born and brought up in Mumbai, तो मैं हिंदी बात करती हूँ. मैंने तमिल तेलुगु की बहुत सारी पिक्चरें की हैं, तो मैं तमिल तेलुगु में भी बात कर सकती हूँ. मैं इंग्लिश में बात कर सकती हूँ. या मुझे आई थिंक हमारे हमारे हिंदुस्तान में इतनी भाषाएं हैं जो बहुत ही खूबसूरत हैं. और मुझे Sindhi, I should not forget. I hope my mom's not watching this live because I inevitably, like, I think the language I don't know properly is my mother tongue, which is kind of bad, but I think my mom deals with that. Um, um, Arun, billionaire, I love you. I love you too, Arun. Thank you all. I cannot explain to you how encouraging this is for me to see you guys, you know, constantly just giving me so much love. It's just something that makes me motivated and makes me want to do more work. Um, and I can't help but repeat myself when I say that it's literally just the messages that I got on Twitter or the messages that I got on Instagram, which were so encouraging around November Story, and I really wanted to come out and thank people for that. And it's a story that I've really been very very closely connected to from the beginning, from the inception of the show. um, and yeah, I'm really happy that it's finally out there, and especially in a time where people can use the content, because many of us are just um, stuck at home, some are isolating at home. So this content should help you guys, um, to keep you entertained. Okay, let's see. Hi, there's Kiran, who is my lovely my fitness trainer from Hyderabad, who is an inspiring lady herself. She has watched November Story and liked it. Thank you, Kiran. Thank you. I'm glad you've liked the show. Um, Chantini Meherali. Chantini Meherali. Your next movie in Tamil. I haven't actually taken up anything in Tamil yet, but I have some exciting announcements coming up, which I will make when the time is right. For now, I will just be being safe at my home. I really think if you have the privilege of staying at home and if you can work from home, please do it. This is the time. Health is above everything. Being safe is the most important thing. Um, I know it's very difficult for people when there is an economical crisis going on, and you have to also stay safe. It's a really difficult thing. It's a difficult position that a lot of people are in right now, with the resources from the medical resources being so little out there. It's just a situation that nobody's ever seen before. So there's no choice but to first stay safe, because if you are safe and if you're healthy and if you're alive, is when you can do things and find a way out. So எனக்கு தெரியும் நிறையா தமிழ் ஃபேன்ஸ் இருப்பாங்க. நீங்கள் பார்க்குறீங்க தெரியும் எனக்கு. அண்ட் தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச். நீங்கள் எனக்கு கொடுத்த அன்பு எப்போவுமே எனக்கு ஒரு ரொம்ப என்கரேஜிங்கான ஃபேக்டராக இருக்கும். அண்ட் நான் உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்ச மாதிரி கதைகள் பண்ணுறதுக்கு ட்ரை பண்ணுறேன். ஒரு ஆக்டராக நீங்கள் என்னை ரொம்ப சப்போர்ட் பண்ணீங்க. And I am here today only because of you. Sati Vikita, how are you? I am doing okay. I am doing good. I'm really grateful. I think that is something this time has really taught me. अगर आज मैं अपने घर पे बैठ के शांति से अपने मॉम एंड डैड के साथ वक्त बिता पा रही हूँ, आई फील इससे बड़ी बात मेरे लिए कुछ भी नहीं है. और मैं चाहती हूँ कि इस वक्त को मैं सबसे ज़्यादा यूज़ करूँ. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा कभी कभी टीवी देखती हूँ, कभी कभी काफ़ी सारे शोज़ जो आते हैं वो देखती हूँ टीवी पे. नहीं तो और मैं ज़्यादा बुक्स पढ़ नहीं पाती. मुझे पढ़ने की उतनी आदत नहीं है, पर मैं इस वक्त को इस्तेमाल कर रही हूँ ताकि इस वक्त में मैं ज़्यादा पढ़ सकूँ, पढ़ने की आदत डाल सकूँ. बिकॉज मुझे एक्चुअली पढ़ने की उतनी मेरा अटेंशन स्पैन उतना नहीं है कि मैं घंटों लगातार बैठ के पढ़ सकूं. बट इस वक्त में जब मैं घर पे हूँ, मैं इस वक्त को सबसे ज़्यादा यूज़ कर रही हूँ ताकि मैं ये आदत को कंटिन्यू कर सकूँ और बढ़ा सकूँ. हाय हाय सत्यपति, नम्रता, हेलो.